Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. I make videos on how to use DaVinci Resolve. Today we're going to learn how to freeze a frame. This is pretty easy video. It's going to be a short video. So what we got here, I have a clip on my timeline. We're in the edit page. It's a clip of a skateboarder and we're going to freeze a frame. I'm going to scrub my playhead and find the place that I want to freeze the frame. And I think we'll freeze it right there. So with my clip highlighted, I'm going to hit Control B on my keyboard. That made a cut right there. I'm going to hit my right arrow key one time to the right. I'm going to hit Control B on my keyboard again to make another cut. Now I'm simply going to drag this out of the way like so. We're going to make this zoom in a little bit. So this is our frame that we want to freeze. So we're going to right click on it. We're going to change clip speed and we're going to check freeze frame and click change. So now we can stretch this out to have the length we want. I'm going to kind of exaggerate it here. I'm going to zoom back out to bring in the rest of our clip. So we can see here, when we play now, when we come to this frame here, the one we froze, we come up, it's going to freeze right there for the full length of that and then continue on. So let me stretch this out a little more to kind of exaggerate our freeze frame. And I'll play this back now. And we can see we have our skateboarder. We're coming up on the frozen spot. It freeze frames. And then we continue on. Pretty simple. It's a neat effect. If you learned anything, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.